satellite scan.
Okay, I've got eyes on the vehicle. I've got eyes on the vehicle. Voortrekker Street. Voortrekker Street.
Copy that. November Juliet 1. November Juliet 1, Alpha Foxtrot 20. Just take note, when that taxi off the house, they were armed. They were positively armed.
Thank you. I'm not going to approach myself. I'm here by Boxer. Voortrekker Street. Just past the taxi rank. Left hand side by Boxer. Yeah, there's nobody in the vehicle at the moment.
November 1 and drove no one off both en route then I can't confirm ETA.
No problem, thank you. I'm just going to make a U-turn.
November Juliet 1, that's 484/6/2021. I just want to confirm that case number is linked to the taxi, correct?
That was what was given to us today. Are you looking for those house robbery suspects? Alright, we are observing it at the moment. There's nobody in the vehicle. Well, until somebody climbs in it, because it's just standing there. It's a taxi. But we suspect them. That was the witness gave the information that vehicle was involved. But the vehicle was used in the commission of a crime. Because I've got the evidence. I've got a case number here. But the vehicle was used in the commission. We often find it. The vehicles are never circulated. Okay, I spoke to the SAPS members. They're going to drive to the station to confirm information about this case number. It looks like the driver is going to possibly climb out. Just going to stand in such a way to have actual eyes on. Don't know if they're going to be leaving the vehicle here for the night. Maybe just parked it in such a way.
Copy that.
Okay, the guy is climbing out. I think he's locking. I'm going to see now. Orange shirt. Just seeing where he's going. Looks like there's 3 guys going to climb into the vehicle now. I think it might be leaving now.
See that? November Juliet 1. Just confirm, do you have any contact for SAPs that came, that withdrew, that if we need them again?
Negative, is it? Okay, vehicle is leaving, guys.
Confirm, is that vehicle moving now?
Standing still, but it was moving. Seeing like it's going to be loading some passengers now.
Met jullie ken, ek het die konstabel in hande gekry. Hy sê vir die staatsbel en seker maak daai ouens kom terug vir assistance.
Okay, dankie. Ons staan hier by Oranje verkeerslig. Ons gaan ry rigting 5de laan op voortrekker. Ons gaan ry. Ons gaan nou mobiel wees, hoor. Check my mobile is my live location is aan. Okay, copy. Ek gaan jou porters draak en terug met hom. So we're going to need SAP to assist us.
Just take note, Commander. Member 1 is behind you.
I see. Thank you so much. Okay, we're going to go right on 5th Avenue. We're going to go right on 5th Avenue. Might be going down direction Pretoria Road, and that will help a lot. Then we can see if we can get a hold of Crystal Park SAP.
See that?
Vehicle behind me, a white taxi involved in a house breaking. They're just coming up now.
Which one?
It's coming, it turned right in the back there. Thank you. I've got the metro guys behind me, so we'll see which direction we're going.
Copy.
Positively, we tending to Mall Shop.
I copy that, yeah. Our vehicle is behind the metro vehicle.
Thank you. Okay. Okay, we're just waiting for some backup.
Copy that. One vehicle's coming from Pretoria Road. Confirm. is you step out of the vehicle, you start Metro vehicle.
Positive. I have eyes on the vehicle. Metro behind me. Metro is calling for backup as well.
Vehicle is still behind you as well.
I want you to show me your hands. I'm with the anti-hijacking unit. Alright. Driver, climb out. Driver. Alright. I am with the anti-hijacking unit. Alright, the reason I'm stopping you, this vehicle was involved in a crime. In Benoni, I've got the case number, everything. So that is the reason why I'm... No, my bro, I'm just telling you so that you know why I'm stopping you. Alright. Alright, so is anybody in your vehicle armed? Does anybody have any firearms or any knives? Anything dangerous? No, I'm asking you, my brother. Do you have anything dangerous? Oh, this is why I'm asking you, my bro. Alright, wow. I want you to show me your hands. I'm with the anti-hijacking unit. Driver, climb out. Driver. Just a second, my brother. I am with the anti-hijacking unit. Alright, the reason I'm stopping you, this vehicle was involved in a crime. In Benoni, I've got the case number, everything. So that is the reason why I'm... No, my bro, I'm just telling you so that you know why I'm stopping you. Alright. Alright, so is anybody in your vehicle armed? Does anybody have any firearms or any knives? Anything dangerous? No, I'm asking you, my brother. Do you have anything dangerous? Oh, this is why I'm asking you, my bro. Alright, bro. Passenger front, one hand, please. Passenger! Passenger!
Introducing Southern Africa's leading and fastest growing security solution provider. Coupled with a growing national network of strategically placed cameras and a variety of partners across many different industries, all number plates that pass SNIPR's cameras are recorded and cross-referenced. All vehicles listed as suspicious or wanted create an immediate alert. The vehicle is stopped and the suspect apprehended. Join forces with us in combating crime today. Contact the SNIPR team for more information.